Hello friends, I hope that you are well. Today as we review Unit 1, your assignment to turn in is to write and score your own FRQ. I am working on scoring the FRQs that you wrote on Monday. If you had trouble with the AP website, email me. I will try to help you. And if not, I'll try to send you a PDF of that FRQ so you can write it on your own and turn it into me. But I'm working on scoring those, so you should be getting feedback soon, hopefully. So for today, you are going to score your own FRQ, and so I just wanted to give you like kind of a idea of what I was expecting. It is the 2014 FRQ number 4, and it's about biogeochemical cycles. We may have written this one. So I have a binder at school that has like every single FRQ that we've written this year. It's at school. So I can't remember if you guys have actually written this one. If you have, extra practice never hurt anyone, and maybe you'll find it easier, but I think it's a good review of the biogeochemical cycles. So you have the FRQ. It is on the website, so it's right here, and the scoring guide is right here. And what I want you to do is to type up your answers or write your answers. You can write it by hand too, that's fine. And then go through in a different color and score your own answers according to the scoring guide. So, for example, I wrote a couple sample answers to number or letter A 1 and 2. Both of these say describe biological processes by which carbon is either removed from the atmosphere or carbon is returned to the atmosphere. So I named photosynthesis and cellular respiration, but this says describe, so I didn't get points. So I wrote 0 out of 1 and wrote Y. Then at the end, you can just put like final score, like let's say it's an 8 out of 10, and that's what I'm looking for with this. Remember, I am not interested in seeing like a perfect FRQ that's been copied from a scoring guide. Like the scoring guide is literally right there. You could copy it if you wanted to and just be like, I got 10 out of 10, good job me. But you get out of this assignment what you put into this assignment, and this is to help you prepare for the AP exam, which I know that you can do well on. So make sure that you're doing this preparation, that you're practicing, and practice makes perfect. I hope that you are all well and safe and that you're washing your hands. Email me if you have questions. Come to my office hours every day, 1 o'clock. I will see you all later. Bye. Oh no.